want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Ooh, it's probably 100.
We are back.
It's probably 100,000. 2 million.
Alright guys, we're back. It's February 1st. We're doing the Vday class today. Hey guys, we're back for another vlog for Kids Workshop. Oh Lord, there's already people in here. Look at the line, y'all. Look at this. We'll take this off. Thank you. Sorry. Excited?
Tired?
Remember, we're going all the way in the back, yeah?
Last time?
Yeah, not too much traffic. Right here, Jace. Stand, move up.
Look. Mom, tired? Mom, tired?
Good morning. We got 4 tables. Yeah, 4 tables. Huh? Yeah. Let's go. So we, regulars. Pass it to me.
What?
Alright. So cute. Today's class. Hi, Kathy. I have something for you, but I forgot it. I'll bring it to you next time.
Okay. You can go to the last table.
Yes, thank you. You know I was spot. Can I get an extra one, please? Thank you.
Well, 2 cameras or
Just 2. Thank you, mommy. What is that?
The digital horror.
I know. Which one is me?
This one, XOXO.
XOXO is me?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, Papa.
Because that's your video.
That's my videos, my YouTube?
Yeah, your YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
Well, when are you going to get the glass plate?
Oh my God, mine don't even fit. Turn around, let me see. Turn around. So I can't even put that piece on. And mine is so cute. That's so much fun. Jace, you got popcorn? Jace, can I get some of your popcorn? Please? Aw, thank you for sharing, Papa. Thank you for sharing, Punky. Oh, you stepped on the popcorn. I'm gonna add some stickers. So cute.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like with the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you
Thank you so much. This class was so cute. And I got You're not a man. You can't go in there. No.
Alright guys, so for this portion of the video, I'm just going to show you real quick how to register. You're just going to select your store. So for this video, I chose the Starrett City location, and you just basically type in your zip code, select your store, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so we're going to scroll down to view upcoming kids workshops and register. These are so cute. Jace is excited for the basketball game one next month. April is going to be the glow planter, and then the birdie buffet for May. So click on register now. Then we're going to click on sign up. And here you're just going to put your information in. So I basically put my name, and then I put my email address. You're going to select how many kids are attending. And then you're going to select an option So the only option will be the March one, the upcoming month, and just click on register. So remember, they recommend arriving early, and I say it all the time because it gets packed. And yeah, they'll send you the information to your email, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna show you guys the upcoming workshops for 2025. In February, we just did that one yesterday. So cute. And you guys, again, these are free kids workshops for your kids, and they let me do one yesterday, which was so nice of them, and I definitely enjoyed it. See you guys next month, and we love you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.